Shubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
President Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent Pala uloong baka jingle yu kjat jong nongyalam ko Congress Rahul Gandhi hagajaka Pule University of Science and Technology Meghalaya kamdei gabalet da jingtmu banyalap election habakran bekilat pathai khubor mentakasni ka arpulai tarik ukalaling kot arajar arpusaw uba Vincent ula there ka sarkar balalam khmat da kaseng National People's Party kaseng United Democratic Party bar ka Bharatiya Janata Party hakabaula keno baka sarkar jela kala syak penyaj haka BJP uba palau loong bagi teki seng kila Khanglad yo Rahul Gandhi ban Ïakynduh iki khana Pule jong ka Ustm bat kani ka pen I baka jingle jong ki ka pen pau bagi ting ya ka Congress nalor kata uba Vincent loong bagi vote bala thap sya ka NPP ni ka UDP kadai ka vote ka balet sya ka BJP bat haka election ka banwan kanu ka vote ka bamlet sya ka Congress kadai ka balet sya ka BJP. Rahul Gandhi ulawan banyat kejat sya ka jala komsi benta ban pen I ka nongrem halor ka jinga long ringkat ba ka jing bishar ka bahok. Kani ka jingya jong Rahul Gandhi ka bakot ka Bharat jodo niya yatra lasdang na do hinin ka sngi ka arpu artari ka lalingkot arajar arpu saw. Katkom ka jingya thu ba Vincent Pala loong. Ba Rahul Gandhi ulatmu balet Ïakynduh iki Samla Pule hagajaka Pule University of Science and Technology Meghalaya kabadan hakana para. Walau Rahul Gandhi ula syak Khanglad ban Ïakynduh iki khana Pule hakate ka jaka Pule hanrai ka klam Khanglad pat yo Rahul Gandhi ban Ïakynduh iki kattu katni iki khun Samla shabar ka jaka Pule.
That Rahul Gandhi should not only meet the Congress workers, not only meet the civil society representative, not only meet the youth, but he should also meet the students and like-minded people at the Ustm. Why in Ustm? Because Ustm has a big hall which can accommodate up to more than 3,000 people. So the students were ready. Actually, the program is supposed to be at 8 o'clock. It's very difficult to get the students, but the students are supposed to be ready. But very unfortunately, the government led by NPP, UDP and the BJP here, they refused. They didn't give up permission based on silly reasons. Normally, when we have a program in the university, if the university gives a clearance, NOC, then if we apply with that, we enclose, and they give a permission because it's not an election campaign and the code of conduct has not started in the country. Therefore, a permission is required only for security and the NOC from the universities. So, very unfortunately, I think it shows that the government in Meghalaya has been directed by the BJP at the center as well as maybe from leader of the northeastern states. Therefore, every votes, every decisions where people give to a UDP or a NPP, it is for the BJP. Therefore, people should be clear in their mind. In the coming elections, whatever votes given to a non-Congress is for a BJP. This shows yesterday's they are scared of the Congress and unreasonably they have declined the admission or rather the permission for us. So very unfortunate. The state government has rejected our applications. They rejected and they don't give us the permissions. See, Rahul Gandhi wants to go to a university not for political discussion but for interaction with the students, how to inspire the students. See, the intention of the Bharat Jodo Yatra is justice for youth, participations of the youth and the people also. And then he'll have interactions with different women, interaction with the farmers, interaction with the workers, interactions with different sections of people, civil societies. So part of the program, like today we had interactions with the civil societies. Though they stopped us from Ustm, but we had interactions at the hotels with the students also. So at 8 o'clock the students came and he also had interactions with the Northeast Congress Coordination Committee also today. So it did not stop us, but only it shows the mindset of the government in the state is controlled by the BJP because the BJP is against the yatra of Rahul Gandhi. The BJP doesn't want Rahul Gandhi to connect with the people. The yatra, the purpose of the yatra is to connect with the people, listen to the people, and take the views of the people. And in that way, then we have an experience. In that way, then we can know what is the mindset of people. So when we be in the government, then we'll be able to deliver. And when we want to prepare a manifesto, then we'll be able to promise. So these interactions is not only in Meghalaya, and in Nagaland we are in opposition, in Manipur we are in opposition. Nowhere in the country who reject the permission, except Meghalaya as on today. So we have been all over. You see, yesterday the Jai Sriram team has done the marching right from Guwahati up to Meghalaya. They entered Banihat, another place. That a permission was granted or not granted by them, we don't know. But we as a disciplined party, we ask a permission. Otherwise, we don't need a permission for interaction with the students. Like today, we had interaction with the students. Where they didn't give us, we had interaction with the students because we don't need a permission for. But I think for law and order, I thought we should have an interaction. They refused, but we have done it. So same thing, this government, they want and they give a space for all those people. If you see in the YouTube, I've seen so many things. I met them personally also. They walk all around from Meghalaya to Assam. We don't mind. We have no problem for walking. But why not to them you grant a permission? Why not to us you don't grant a permission? This is very serious. The people of Meghalaya should think. I think the people should know also that this government is spineless, is controlled by the BJP in Delhi, and this government is spineless, is controlled by the leaders from Assam. This is what we could sense, that lots of threats has been given to him. That's one of the biggest challenge which we have in the Northeast. Things have become, threatening has become towards our institutions, towards our people, towards our business communities. They are same together. So it is one-to-one. It is the first and with the BJP only.
Do you condemn on that the MTA government?
Yeah, definitely we should condemn why permission was not given to us. It's given to other parties, why not to us? No, we already have the program. We will not. We believe that every dog has his day. Our days will come.
Hakabayade bagajing penyapher nyam Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi na kalyang ba Vincent Palau laong maka nyam kadai hapreng ublay bat uriu shimen bat amday banya kle ya ka kam san Hima sima bat ka kam nyam shu ba Vincent ulapan pau jing sngokya halor ka seng BJP nambar ba kam patla ban pen orlong yi kam kat kom kimat tri kam jongka ban pen thami yi ki pat ba ling ba kanyam.
Yeah, I think you are very right. Normally, religion is between individual and God. Like whatever I do, whatever I think, we believe that God sees. Whatever we think, God knows. So religion is between God and individual. So we should not mix the religion and the politics. Whereas politics, it deals with law, politics is deal with the constitutions, politics it deals with many things for human being, be it economy, be it other things. So we should not mix it. But very unfortunately, I think the BJP, they have not be able to fulfill whatever they committed in manifesto. The only way is that to try to convince the people, try to convince sections of the people through religion. I think what they have done, the public will know. We support any religion. Like if I'm a Christian, I will be always proud of my religion. If somebody is Hindu, they are always proud of religion and they have the rights to do it. But as a party doing these things, I think people will realize, and this has been criticized by the religious leaders of a different, within the Hindu itself, they have got a different leaders. They have been criticized. But anyway, BJP is in power, to overcome whatever they committed in terms of the employment, in terms of managing the economy, in terms of international relations, be it with Maldives, be it with Sri Lanka, be it with Nepal, be it with Burma, be it with Russia. They have failed in all fronts. The only way is that to cover up those is to try to convince the people we are doing something. So they have increased so many activities in terms of religion rather than performing as a political or as a government. I think that they have failed, that's why they have done all this.